Good morning, everyone. Look, where's the cover for this one? It's alright, I'll just put it first, and then you go get it. Okay. Welcome back
to the channel.
Happy Sunday, everyone. It's ano oras ba ngayon? 11:10. I'm just putting this on Paris's eye kasi a couple of days ago, nagkaano siya, sore eyes ba? Pula yung kanyang mata, but today, it's much better. Hindi na siya nagpapas. Muta-muta ba?
But I still need to put my eye drops.
Yeah, just to make sure. Isn't that right? Okay, open your eye.
No, I don't want to.
Other one? Other one?
So you got a bathing suit?
Yeah. You crying?
No.
A little bit blurry, sorry. You tell Tita and Tito where we're going.
It's Billy's birthday.
I'm sorry? To Swimming's birthday?
Billy's birthday.
You could open it now. So, Paris' friend, Finley, birthday niya at invited si Ate Paris sa kanyang party, which is swimming. Punta sila ng pool.
And today it's his birthday.
That's right. You very excited?
Yeah.
Well, nag-countdown si Ate Paris dito. So, yeah. Remember yung video namin na sabi ni Ate Paris na she wants to get married to Finley? Yeah, that Finley.
But Finley doesn't want to marry me.
Oh no.
He doesn't want to marry anyone.
Maybe because he's still very young.
That's not why.
Why?
Maybe you're right.
You get married when you're 50.
50-year-old. Very smart.
Yeah, very smart. Yung hair niya ay nandyan pa rin, oh. Tagal na nito.
I have another present for Zoe.
This, Lala, 1 week na pala to siya na, today. It's been 1 week since we went to see Jake.
This is.
Na, you miss Jake.
Yeah, I'm gonna give him this one.
Shelby,
Okay.
tingnan yung ginawa ni Ate Paris for
That one is
Finley. Are you giving this to Finley?
because I want to have it again.
No? Oh, okay. Alright. That's
Only
okay.
this one.
Daddy bought present yesterday.
I know. I got this present for him, which I made this. You can pretend this is a snake.
Yeah, it's in the car. Ang ating baby Celine ay nagnanap. Hinihintay na lang namin. Nag-start yung ano nila, sabi, from 11 to 2. And it's now 11:10. Hindi naman malayo yung ano.
Mommy, can we go?
Address.
Can we go now?
What does it say, babe? Ito yung invitation. Oh.
Let me
Finley.
hold that. Let me hold it.
Ayun, I'm just gonna read it. Bring swimmers and towel. To Paris from Finley. Siblings welcome. Hala, very dirty now.
I want to have it.
You can have it now. So, oh, don't lose it because we need the address. Okay?
I like it.
Okay.
Okay.
Drink water. Drink some water, babe.
Bye. Where's the? Do I need a pen to write it?
I'm just gonna show this to you. Kagabi, kahapon hindi kami nag-vlog. Pumunta kami ng Bunnings. Bumili ako ng potting mix. Kasi, kung na... I don't know if napansin nyo to before, but sobrang liit ng pot nito. Kaya, natutumba siya ng mabilis. Because this plant is growing. Lumalaki na siya. Palagi siyang natutumba dyan. So, I moved this one sa medyo malaki na pot. Ayan. So, mabigat na siya. Hindi na siya matutumba. And hopefully, magiging okay na siya. Kasi palagi siyang na-touch ba? So, alam niyo naman kapag palaging natatouch, parang ang tawag ito, hindi na siya super healthy. Yan. So, hopefully, okay, ano. Hi there, Daddy.
Hello.
I know what you're doing.
What?
You're watching.
No, I'm not, but I've got my phone's off all day. Got it in airplane mode.
Okay. Daddy wants to watch the UFC, but I need him there with me. Yeah. Are you taking swimmers with you?
Yeah, these.
Okay.
And I've
You have to
specials.
bring some extra.
I did.
Yeah. Kasi gusto ni Daddy Mike manood ng UFC. But then, sino mang sasama kay Ate Paris maligo? So, I need his help. So, he's coming. Pero iti-turn off daw niya ang kanyang phone para hindi niya alam yung results ng UFC. Our little princess is deep asleep. Binisan ko na yan siya kanina. Tapos paiyak-iyak. Kaya nakatulog. Ayan. Paano na yan ngayon? Siguro magigising na yan siya very soon. Ayokong gisingin eh. Oo, hinano kayo si Inday. Hinano ko nga mo Inday. Naalala niyo ba yung dress na yan, guys? That's for Ate Paris's. He's super cute.
A few moments later.
Dito na kami sa baba, guys. Tingnan niyo.
Ha?
Grabe yung hibig ng tulog niya. Minsan pag ayaw mong gisingin, ay gigising. Girl. And we're all set. Healing. Hi. Nagising Healing. Hip hip. Hi. Ling, ready, steady, go. Good girl. You ready, steady? Burst. Ready, steady? Down. Ah, it's very warm today. Have a look. Sobrang init.
See, that's good.
Cleaning.
Hi, Daddy.
Hello, have a look.
Ayan, guys.
Mommy.
Daddy Mike
Mommy.
played up light last night. He cleaned the car. Nag-ano kami, car wash kami sa labas, pero yung loob si Daddy Mike nag-vacuum. Well done, Daddy.
What's that?
Great job.
Yesterday when they was cleaning the car, and I had that pink squishy.
What is it now? What was it?
Yesterday when I was cleaning the car with Daddy, I found a pink squishy. And
Ready, steady?
there.
Go.
Can I
Yay!
have the squishy, please?
Aw, good sharing. Oh, no.
It was very clear inside.
Yes. Looks like we're here, guys. I think there, Daddy. Oh, we have to ring the bell. Ang ating Ate Paris. Oh, iba, sporty look ang ating.
Present.
What is that, anak?
This is a present.
For Finley?
Look at
Wow.
this one. You mean if you?
You don't open it.
No, I'm not opening it. I just want to show you better.
Okay. Alright.
That's what I just want.
Oh, it's a bit hot.
I'm not opening it.
Diyan kami nag-park, oh, just across the road. Oh my goodness, nak. Sakit ng ano. Unit 6. Did you press? Love you, anak. Paris.
Masyadong because your feet will be very hot.
Stay here lang. Shh. Kasi din na.
It's unit 6, eh?
Yeah.
Huh?
They're probably very busy.
Very
Thanks,
cold.
Finley.
It's very cold.
You wanna go with Daddy? Go with Daddy. Go, go, go.
What's in the hand?
Huh? Rock. Ang ating baby sila ng kasama ng kanyang tatay, oh. Yung ating Ate Paris, nandun. Naglalaro sila ng ano. Ang tawag din, yung balon na nilalagyan ng tubig. Closer, Daddy. Closer. Cheeky face. Come on. She just doesn't run.
but I have no problem talking to him. Who hasn't got a
Celine? Yeah, get another one.
Not all of them.
Yeah, Nini.
Nini.
Yeah. Oh, thank you. Yeah. Wow. How many have you got? How many? Beef? Daddy. Feels like going. Celine.
Thanks, baby. How you got some too? You have one.
Look at me. Look at me. Get a lot? Get a lot? Tingnan nyo, nakuha niya. You got a lot. Good job. Yeah, are you playing with your scooter? Hawat og scooter, oh. Whose scooter is that, anak? Whoopsie! You're okay. Mama will help? Mama will help? There you go. There you go. Whoop! Yay! Good job, Ling. Good job, Ling. Sorry, sa balik ka, Lini. Wala, daddy's out naman. Look.
Mommy, can you come in?
I can hold you on the side. Tit, tit, tit. Where are you going? So ayan guys, it's now 2 o'clock. At alam niyo ba, my goodness, katapos lang ni Ate Paris. Ang ating Ate Paris ay, oh, look at me guys, oh, basang-basa ako. Wala akong plano na maligo ba? Wala akong planong maligo. Wala akong dala. Okay. Pero lumusob ako sa tubig guys. Goodness, tingnan nyo. Basang-basa ako lahat. Pati yung sapatos ko. My shoes tadi. My shoes. Sobrang basa. Kasi alam niyo ba, muntikan ng malunod tong ating Ate Paris guys. Kasi andyan lang naman kami sa harapan. Pero sabi ko sa kanya, wag siyang umano ba dyan lang sa gilid ba oh. Nag-move na siya doon sa medyo ano.
I'm sorry for
Don't get up in.
Sorry for what?
drowning.
Almost drowning. Come here, babe. See? That's why you have to listen to mama. Talagang lumangoy ako guys. Diyan lang naman sa gilid. Oh, hindi naman sa ano. Basang-basa. Nakasapatos pa ako. Nilangoy ko talaga.
Get up in me so we can go.
Ka, can you open that door?
Do you like my look?
Gumanon naman siya. Oh, gumanon na ang kanyang ulo ba? Oh my God. Kaya nga, very ano talaga. Very important talaga yung pagpunta niya sa swimming class ba. I know she's late na sa kanyang swimming class but makakatulong tayo. Very important guys. Daddy, Celine is coming too. Celine is coming. Tignan nyo, basa ako ngayon sa sakay ng sasakyan. Sobra ako natakot. Ano sabi ng mga ibang nanay, sabi nila, hindi pa pala siya nakakapag langoy kasi yung mga friends na dito lumalangoy na. Okay, may kasama kasi yung isang kasamahan niya sa school, yung classmate niya, silang dalawa doon sa gilid. Oh my God. Na-stress ako bigla, guys. Paris, next time you'll be very careful, okay?
Is that up, Ma?
Yeah?
Ma?
God, natakot talaga ako,
I'm
guys.
sorry.
It's okay. Next time you be careful. Alright?
Next time when I go in Philly's pool
Mm-hmm.
and go deep again,
Yeah.
just the one
More?
I let just the one is just a little bit deep.
Yeah, not too deep. That's why you go to swimming lessons. So you learn how to swim.
And in the very deep waters,
Yes.
if I'm small,
Mm-hmm. Oh, mapakainit guys. Oh, daddy just turn on the car. Full blast ang aircon. Oh, goodness. Tingnan niyo, oh, ang aking paa. Walang sapatos. Alam niyo ba guys? I went swimming with style, ha? Kasi tingnan niyo, suot ko pa ang aking Gucci shoes. Basang-basa guys. Lumangoy ang aking Gucci shoes. Wala na, guba na ang shoes ni mama na. Celine! Karong lari be? Karong lari?
Karo? Karo? Karo?
Ma, why can I not float yet?
Aw, Lynn.
Why can I not
Ma?
float yet?
Ma?
Hmm? Because you have to do your hand like this and you have to kick so you can float.
Karo?
Why do I feel
Kapark lang namin sa labas ng bahay, guys. Patulog ang ating Ate Paris. Oh, gosh!
Yeah, kita one.
Someone sleeping.
Drop it.
Must be
Give her one.
very,
That's
very tired from swimming. Yeah. Yeah. Ling. Daddy Mike is ready for his UFC. Alam niyo ba, he really turned off his phone para wala siyang marinig na balita from his friends or news kung sino
The problem
yung
is
nanalo.
I've got to turn it back on, and I'm scared, you know.
What?
I'm scared when I turn it back on.
Just don't open the thing.
What?
Just don't open the messages.
They flash on my phone, you know.
Just go straight to whatever, like the app.
I will. I'm just scared, you know. Like I don't want to see it.
A few moments later.
Time check, guys. It's now 5:30 ng hapon. And ang ating baby girl na payak-iyak na, very sleepy. Oh, sige, tingnan niyo. So, Mama's going to prepare something for dinner now. I think this one ay matutulog. Are you going to have a nap? Huh? Shh! Look! Oh, gosh! Ang mata! Diyos! Hi, guys! Pagdating namin dito kanina, pinaliguan ko kaagad para ma-rinse siya sa water. Sa pool ba? Anong lutuin natin, Nakbe? What's available? This one. Oh, tingnan. Meron pa pala dito na. Hokkien noodles. Siguro ito na lang yung gagawin ko, guys. Minced chicken. Tapos, lagyan na ng golden Hokkien noodles. Kasi, Ate Paris loves noodles. Have that. You wanna go down, anak, be? Ay! Yak na naman yan. Ay! And then, anong ilagay natin na? Meron pa ba tayong... yeah, with the oyster sauce. Para mabilisan lang. Masakit ang ulo ko, guys. Uy, grabe. Sobrang init kanina. Alam niyo ba, di ba, naka ko ngayon, naka-biker shorts? Yung dito sa paahan ko, half of my leg ay dark. Tapos yung pataas ay puti. Nag-tan line ka agad. Grabe. Init. Tapos, we'll cook rice, anak. Okay? Cleaning. Daddy Mike natin ay nandun sa garage. Doon siya nanood. Phone yung ginamit niya. Kasi pag dito siya sa taas, kinonect niya sa TV. Itong may tendency na itong mga bulinggits natin ay gustong mag-take over sa TV. So, madidisturbo siya. Kanyang UFC. Kaya doon siya sa garage. Walang mag-istorbo sa kanya doon. Sobrang addict lang talaga Daddy Mike natin sa UFC. Oh, hindi pa na hindi pa na lagay sa laundry. Ang aking sapatos talaga, guys. My goodness, kawawa na yung sapatos. Oy, manimaho na ning utot sa yawa. Buanga, oy. Tingnan niyo ang kanyang ginagawa. Lang, anong ginawa mo sa miswa ni Mama, nak? Langging! Okay. Yung nak, may ka na, anak. Parisan pa yan ni Mama ng tinapa. Ng aking miswa, oh. Nakbe, put it back here, Nakbe, please. Ling-ling. Ling-a-ling. Hala, look, oh. Hala, tita and tita's watching, oh. Nene, what you doing? Yeah? What's that in your hand? Wait, show tita and tita what's in your hand. Show tita and tita what you've got. Say hi, guys. I've got the miswa. Babe, what have you got there, babe? Oh, you got corn. What's this one? Pineapple. This one. Corn kernels. Oh my goodness. Can mama have the miswa, nak, babe? Favorite na ni mama na. Take that off now, babe. So you're not going to sleep anyways. Hala, asa may magkikaon? Miswa? Hilaw nga miswa? Ha? Ito siya, sobrang hilig na nitong mag-open ng mga aparador dito sa bahay. Nag-iingat kami, ikaw yung mga mababasag, kailangan wala na sa baba. Baby, give it to mama please. Thank you very much. Okay, kahit wala kami dito, andun kami nanood ng TV, ito siya naglakad-lakad sa loob ng bahay. Open the door, nak na. Open the aparador. Show tita, be. Show tita your... Corn. Ay, tita. Show the corn. Come on. Josh. Nawong. Yes. Show the corn, be. So this is corn. Kernels. What is it, my love? Daddy's still watching UFC, anak. Oh, show to tita as well. So that's pineapple. Show. Oop. Oop. Okay, di ka daw. Show. Yeah, I'm just helping you. Show. Here, in the camera. Show. That's right. Say it's pineapple. It's pineapple. Yes. Buhok naman ako. What else have you got there? This one. What's this one? Macaroni, cheese, pasta, and sauce. Yeah? Oh, yeah? Do you like that one? Yes, ate. Excuse me. Did you just burp? Did you just burp na?
Yeah, I did.
Hey, have a look at Lini showing tita and tito the mais and the piña. Here, say hi, Nakbe. Here. No, they can see you. They can see you. Ba. Ganda ng kanyang dress, guys. Oh, unicorn. Okay ko yan nabili. Kalan ba yun? Nakabit ba yun? Alam niyo ba ito? $1 lang ata ito. Pag kita Nakbe, flex your dress, Nakbe. Oh, careful with your head, Nak. Be, come here, anak. Show us your dress here. I'll show it to tita and tito. Very cute. Ay, shush! Wanna show more? We'll show Ate Paris' dress. Anak, be. There. Pakita ang panty. Ang nawang bulingit. Tingnan nyo. Oh. But the dress, oh, sinong mag-aakalang $1? Nak, no? It's so beautiful. It suits her. And it's got lots of stories about the UFC.
After next.
Look at the jacket.
Is that what it said?
Daddy Mike's telling me the story, guys. Very passionate. May mga pag-anundaran pa sa Daddy Mike. Pero sad si Daddy Mike, guys. Kasi natalo ang kanyang manok. Daddy?
Yes.
You're sad?
This is a present from Philly to me.
So cute.
Yan ang
Wow,
aking
what is it?
niloto. Minced chicken, tapos my noodles. Come here lang.
Wow.
Ate Taras, come here. Alam niyo ba ang ating baby silly? Come here, be. Halala, she's eating the apple. Go.
Ask him, Paris.
Can you grab it from her now, say Selene?
Can I have the apple, please, Celine?
Come here, Nakbe. She's giving it to you, Nak. Look. Don't just grab it, Nak. You have to ask her, Nak. Now she's gonna cry.
already did.
Look, no, you did not.
I
Look, give it back to her, please.
No, I really did.
Give it back to her. Give it to Mama. Give it to her and I'll get her to give it to me. Come on.
No.
Ang aking mukha ba? Parang pwede ng prituhan, no? Yung aking sunscreen kasi sa mukha is very
What?
pintam. What's going on? Ate, say like, Celine, can I have it, please?
Please.
Oh, no.
Can I have that, please, Amy?
Give it to Daddy, please.
Daddy, please. Thank
Good
you.
job. Good girl, Mala. Come here, Mama. Come here, Mama. Come to Mama.
Ceiling. Ceiling.
Tingnan niyo, guys.
Ceiling. Got like pistol all over, right?
Come here. Ala, tingnan niyo. Very messy, guys. My lord.
Ling.
Ling! Tingnan niyo yung mukha, ha?
Celine. Carlos. Celine.
Tingnan niyo yung mukha, be. Watch the face, be. Murag iring, hala! Nak! Murag iring. Pinaglaruan ang texture ng kanyang Ate Paris.
Give her a song, baby.
Ha?
Tell her a song. Money one.
Drop some money. Drop some money. Drop some money. Drop some money.
You look like this.
Yeah, that's right, yeah.
Because look at the face.
Oh.
Dad!
Tingnan niyo ginawa ni Ate Paris kanina din. Ginawa na, guba na ang ilang...
That's weird.
Pinintahan man ang bear.
Happened to you.
Lini,
Take care of her.
you look like the bear na. Subulingit manok. Ay! Subulingit man ang mong baby, ay.
Okay, let's solution.
Lang, lang,
For the baby to get better.
lang. I see you looking at my PIC. Ding 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 na. Zoom in. Zoom out.
Baby.
Zoom in. Zoom out.
Take this thing.
Ay, ko na lang tanak, be.
Finish.
The wheels on the bus go round and round. I just round and round. Ay, hindi pala. Oh, may ano pa pala dito. Oh, hindi pa to na hole sa inyo. B? Ay, yung kahapon. So, as mentioned, kahapon nga, pumunta kami ng Kmart. Banning sa Kmart. Hindi namin dito sa inyo. Well, dahil went to Rebels. Yun yung kumuha niyo. Mag-home muna tayo bago natin anong pagkain natin. I bought this from Kmart. $6 lang siya, guys. 2 pairs. Daddy Mike bought this one for the girls. Sobrang cute. This one is for Ate Paris. And this is for the lady. Ang ganda ng print.
I like this one.
Ang galing mamili ni Daddy Mike ng mga damit, guys. Oh, para sa mga... Yum, yum. I'm watching, ano guys, oh? ASAP sa YouTube. Itong dalawa. Lalalala. Ay, si Paul yan, yung kinakain nila. Yum! Nak, don't hold it there, anak! Yucks! Ew! Don't touch mama. Ay! No, no, very sticky. Ate Paris, what did I just say? Careful. Nak, we'll go to bed na? Ling? Ling lang. Agay, ate. You didn't have this again today? Sobrang late na, guys. Pinatulog ko yung mga kiddos. At pagkalabas ko dito, ang linis-linis na ng bahay. Si Daddy Mike, naglinis pala siya before siya nagpunta ng garage. So, nag-workout siya ngayon sa garage. Pero pagkalabas ko, kanina, nung pagkapasok ko sa room, nung pinatulog ko si baby Celine, ako guys, parang binagyuhan talaga yung bahay. Pagkalabas ko, uy, naka-on na yung dishwasher. Tapos, pakita ko sa inyo ha. The floor is shiny now. Ano yun? See? Linis-linis sa tingnan dito sa sa lunchroom. Kanina, oh my God. Para talagang may tornado sa loob ng bahay, guys. Well done, Daddy Mike. Tapos ako tutupi ako ng mga damit nandito sa kwarto na to. Naglinis na akong nag-start na akong mag-organize ng mga bags ko dyan kasi it's everywhere na naman. So, inorganize ko tapos mag-start ako magtupi. And then, I'm gonna do, wash my mukha ears kasi, pwede talaga makapanalamin sa aking mukha ba? Grabe, sobrang kintab niyo eh. But, yeah, that's about it for today's video, guys. I will end it now. Para makapagtupi na ako kasi sobra pang dami pa talaga tupiin dyan, guys. Meron pa akong nilagay sa washing machine. Ang ulo ko ay mabigat na. Shout out muna tayo before natin i-end yung ating vlog. Ayan. Shout out to Fe Guarnes, Kali Sima, Ashik Life, Jean Bagsik, Marites Guillermo, Angelina Ledesma, Feli Ilamparo, Jocelyn Leda, Naida Trufil, Lulu Rodelas, Rosel Flor, Zera Fatima Villegas, Juliet Caparas, Lenny Langit, Marisa Serrano, Joy Malyari, Wise, Jovi Aglogob, Sweet Shy Kulit, and Lovely Pinay Smile. Ayan, she's from solid subscriber from Singapore. Hello, thank you very much for watching all the time. Anyways, guys, that's about it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed today's vlog. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all on the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye. Mwah.